Alright guys, so this video is going to be a little different today. I want to teach you how to post your work to your own website. I gave you all usernames and passwords today and showed you a little bit of how to use FileZilla to get that set up. And the reason for that is we're going to post your work online. And here's how you do it. You're going to create an index.html file. It's going to have the standard HTML head, title, body, and then we're going to add some tags you haven't had the chance to play with yet. You're going to have an H1, and it should have at least your name. If you want to include anything else, that's fine. When you're done, you're going to end your H1 tag. Below that, maybe a paragraph. H1, by the way, is a heading. It'll be large and dark and bold and on its own line. Below that, a paragraph with the P tag. Maybe introduce what's going on, end your paragraph, and then start a list. UL stands for unordered list. An unordered list is one that has bullets instead of numbers. So we're going to start an unordered list, and then we're going to put a list item in it, and then a second list item, and then we're going to close our unordered list, wrap up the body in the HTML. That's all I want you to do for now. And the assignments we've got, you'll notice one says exercise 2, and the other one that says exercise 1 is all the way over here, and we've got lots of extra stuff. This A tag with an href attribute is what points the words exercise 1 to an actual file. In this case, it's pointing to myscript.html, which I've got loaded in the background there. So you're going to link to your scripts like this. href equals, type in the name of your script with spacers, capital letters, whatever else you've got. Close the A tag, type the words that you want to appear on your web page, and then finalize that A tag there, and then finalize the list tag that was open. And once you do that, if I were to go and load this page here, you're going to get something like this. Notice the first one is blue and highlighted, and if I click, it's going to go to the page, what's your name, and oh, there we go. I say, and there's an alert, welcome to my page, what's your name, blah blah blah. Anyway, you guys have done that. And then welcome, nice to meet you, blah blah blah. So we hit the back button. The reason exercise 1 is an actual link and exercise 2 is not is because we added the A tag to exercise 1. So that's all I want you to do is build that file, that first file, and it is called index.html, and put your exercises in there, your projects, and give them better names than exercise 1, 2, 3. Use the same names that are in the Moodle. And in order for this to all work, when you go into FileZilla, what I want you to do, I can jump back over, sorry, I got too much open. There we go. Make sure that everything is in the same folder. So you've got your index.html file there, and any of your programs that you write also have to be in the same folder. That's just going to make life easier. Otherwise, I'll have to teach you way more HTML than you want to know right now. So keep everything in the same place, and then go ahead and go to FileZilla. And once you're connected and you're all logged in up here and it likes your password, looking at this window, it's going to show you what's in your website. And it should be basically empty. You'll have a dot and a folder, and that'll be it. And you're just going to drag your files from wherever you can see them. So let me zoom out here. I've got some files here. I'm just going to highlight those, drag them over, and drop them right there, and they will upload to your web server. The other thing you can do, this window shows you your computer. So I could click on the computer, and I could go find my desktop somewhere, and I'm not going to bother right now because, well, clearly I can't find it. But you could have them open here and then drag them from this window to this window. But it all starts with creating that index.html file in Komodo and saving that along with your individual scripts into the same folder, and then just drag them right into FileZilla. Alright, that's your video. Watch it, try it, and we'll see if we can't get everything posted in class tomorrow.